Let's talk about money. Accounting is simply how we keep track of all the money that comes in and goes out, like keeping a diary, but for your business's money. It's the language businesses use to tell their money story, helping you make smart choices and see if you're making a profit or a loss. Think of accounting like a stethoscope for a business's health. Without it, you're just guessing. Accounting is the backbone of every business, no matter how big or small. It gives owners and managers the information they need to make smart choices, like which products to sell more of, or when to save money to grow the business. Important people like investors, banks, and the government rely on accurate records to trust and support businesses. Good accounting prevents mistakes and fraud, keeping finances safe and clear. In short, it's the security guard and roadmap for a company's future. There are two main types of accounting: financial and management. Financial accounting prepares official reports for outsiders, investors, banks, and the government, using strict rules. It's like a report card, showing how the business did over a period of time. Management accounting, on the other hand, is for insiders, helping managers make daily and future decisions. These reports are flexible, detailed, and focus on planning and performance. Financial accounting looks at the past, management accounting looks at the future. The accounting cycle is an 8-step process that businesses use to keep their finances organized. First, you identify and analyze transactions, every sale, purchase, or expense, record them in a journal, then transfer them to the general ledger. Prepare a trial balance to check if debits and credits match, adjust entries if needed, and create financial statements. Close the books to start fresh for the next period. Then the cycle starts again, keeping everything organized and accurate. Accountants must be honest and ethical. Trust is everything. In Malaysia, the Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA, regulates this profession, making sure members are qualified and follow strict ethics. The Malaysian Accounting Standards Board, MASB, sets the rules for financial reporting, ensuring companies are transparent and can be compared. Many accountants also join global bodies like ACCA for international standards and opportunities. In summary, accounting is the language of business, important for making decisions, planning, and trust. There are two main types: financial, for outsiders, and management, for insiders. Strong ethics and rules keep this profession respected and trustworthy.